The following video is a FANUC ROBODRILL. It's a T14iFe. This machine is wired for the 4th axis. It's got a rotary table on it. It's new 2008. Chris is going to run a brief video demonstration for us today.
We're going to start with the X access. We're going to jog it back and forth. We're going to try the Y axis. Then Z axis. And the 4th axis.
We'll start with a spindle of 1000 RPM. And block, insert. That is 1000 RPM. Spindle will go up to 3000 RPM. And block, insert. That is 3000 RPM. Alright, we'll go 6000. And 0 here, spindle, 6000, and block, insert. 6,000. And we'll go to 8,000. And block. That's 8,000. And then we'll go to 10,000. There it is, 10,000 RPM. Now we'll activate the tool change. 6, and block.
Again, the following video is a FANUC ROBODRILL T14 CNC Vertical Machining Center.